Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing for you guys oxtail rasta pasta. So now I have the oxtail here washed, cleaned and seasoned with some blended green seasoning and some black pepper, a little salt and some Maggi all purpose and chicken seasoned up. So now I'm going to place these into the pressure cooker. I pressure my oxtail because I want fall off the bone oxtail. Right, so I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker now. Pressure it for like 45 minutes or so, and then we'll come back to making the rasta pasta with the oxtail. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's finish up this oxtail rasta pasta. So these are ground seasoning to go in the oxtail, and these are what we're going to use for our rasta pasta. So for rasta pasta, you want to ensure that you have green, yellow and red bell peppers, right? So that's what gives it the name rasta pasta. The whole look of it, the three colors. Yes you guys, so over there on the cooker of the water, it's been come to a boil to add my pasta. Right, so that is that. So that is the oxtail. I'm going to season it now, add my ketchup and my little touches to it, which I'll be showing you in a minute in my next clip. Water has been brought to a boil. Okay. So guys, now that our meal is all ready, Time for us to share our pasta and our oxtail to it. Our oxtail rasta pasta. Okay guys, I'm just going to share this meal now and present it. This is our lovely fall off the bone oxtail. This guys, this tastes so delicious. Here we have it guys. Oxtail rasta pasta, my way, my recipe. Like, share and comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a comment down below how I did in this video. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel for the next video. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you my lovely peeps. Hope you guys try this meal at home.